Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm knitting double-sided hat. I already made one part of the hat. I'm knitting it using stockinette stitch, and I want to show you how to pick up loops on the other side and continue knitting the other part of the hat. Originally I casted on 120 loops using scrap yarn. This was my beginning. Here we can see a little bumps that the stitches and that's the loops that I'm gonna be picking up and knitting in other direction. After casting on the loops, I switched to the main yarn and continue knitting in the round. This scrap yarn I won't knit after I pick up those loops. Starting from the first loop right here, going one by one. And I will continue till this point, and I will make sure to count all my loops to make sure I have 120 loops on my needle. I picked up all the loops from the bumps around, and I ended up with 119 loops. Now I can just remove this scrap yarn. Even though I picked up all the loops from the bumps, I'm still missing one loop, because right now I have only 119 loops and I need 120. So if I'm gonna take a closer look, there is one loop right here. This yarn goes exactly from this loop. So I'm just gonna go inside the loop with my hook, go over right needle with the yarn. I will grab this yarn and pull it through the loop. Now it's all done. 120 loops on the needles, exactly what I need. I have to attach another ball of yarn to this piece and continue knitting. I will just divide this piece of yarn. So I have here 1, 2, 3 strings, and here as well. Today I will attach just the simple way. I will take also 3 pieces here. And I will hold this part and this part together, make few loops, and then continue knitting. That's gonna be beginning of the knitting, so I'm gonna place my marker here. Now we just need to continue knitting in other direction.